Hi, my name is Ayanda. Today I'd like to teach you another one of our beautiful languages, which is isiXhosa. We'll start with the basics on how to greet someone in isiXhosa. When you meet someone, you greet them by saying molo. Molo. Molo means hello. The person will acknowledge you by saying ewe. Ewe. Ewe means yes, hello. You will then ask them how they are by saying uphilile. Uphilile. They will then respond by saying diphilile, enkosi unjani wena. Diphilile, enkosi unjani wena, which means I'm fine, thank you, how are you? When you have finished the conversation with the person, you say ube nemini emnandi. Ube nemini emnandi, which means have a good day. Thank you for watching this video on how to speak isiXhosa. Please subscribe to my channel.